I have some ground chicken and lots of vegetables in the refrigerator. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a spicy Chinese ground chicken harvest stir fry. It's quick and easy with a delicious, slightly spicy sauce. Stay tuned. Let's start with the sauce. I have a half a cup of water and I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And this is like a Chinese barbecue sauce that adds lots of flavor. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and this will add the flavor and color. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce for the heat. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch for a thickener, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. With the hoisin sauce and ketchup, this sauce kind of reminds me of a sloppy joe sauce, Chinese style with a kick. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some oil and 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger, cooking and stirring for 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in a pound of ground chicken, cooking, chopping, and stirring for about 5 minutes or until no longer pink. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this spicy Chinese chicken harvest stir fry below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Now I'm adding in about 1 cup of finely diced onions and 1 carrot, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. It is a great time for squash, so I'm adding in about 1 cup each of yellow and green squash. I also have 1 cup of diced snow peas. I love the crunch they add. Cooking and stirring for another 3 to 4 minutes. It won't take long for the squash to soften. Now is a great time to use those vegetables, and you can add whatever you like. I gave the sauce one last good stir, and now I'm pouring over the top. You can see this is going to add a lot of flavor and color. I'm getting smells of ginger, garlic, sesame oil, the sweet and the heat. The smell is incredible. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes or until all combined. My family really enjoyed this spicy Chinese chicken harvest stir fry. We loved the texture of the ground chicken and all the vegetables. The sauce is just as delicious as it smells. We love all the rich Asian flavors. I'm serving with steamed jasmine rice and garnished with chopped garden onions. This is a quick and easy Asian meal that is yummy and comforting. I hope you give this spicy Chinese ground chicken harvest stir fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!